Welcome to DIY Volts. I'm Seth. Should you clean your solar panels, and does it make much of a difference? In this video, I'm here to find out. There is not a cloud in the sky, and I have got a very dirty solar panel. In my area, what I've noticed is that tree pollen will fall onto the early morning dew and get stuck to the panel, and then as soon as the sun comes out, it will bake that to the panel, and it does not come off in a normal rain. You actually have to get in there and give it some elbow grease to clean it up. So this panel has got mud along the edges and then pollen baked to it here on the side. So what I want to do is hook up a charge controller, see the watts coming out of this panel, clean it, and then test it again to see just how much better it performs. So let's go ahead and start this test. Back behind the solar panel, I've got a battery and a charge controller. I'm going to go ahead and connect the battery real quick, and we will be able to see what the state of charge is, but I'm mostly interested in hooking up the panel to see what the output is on this. Okay, I have this set up for the watts value. Let me go ahead and plug in the panel, and we will see what kind of output we've got here. With a very dirty panel, I have approximately 341 watts coming in. Very good. Let's go ahead and get this solar panel cleaned up and see what the watt value increases to. I've just got a rag with some water on it. It's probably just as dirty as the panel is. As you can see, the solar panel is much cleaner than it was a moment ago. Let's step back here and see what our watt value is. And the results are in. We've got 356 watts. So yes, we did receive a good bit more power coming in there. I would have liked to have seen that be even higher on a 400 watt panel, but 10 to 15 watts increase is certainly better than none. There we have it. On this single panel, we had an increase of about 15 watts, which means if you had 10 or 12 of these, you would see a significant increase in the wattage over the whole array of solar panels. So yes, you definitely should clean your solar panels. Now I have found that with my array behind the house here, I like to use a squeegee on a pole, and I will spray down the panels with water, sometimes with soap or a vinegar mix, and then use a towel to scrub, and then spray again and squeegee off the residue, and it seems to work out pretty good. You can also buy commercial cleaners which will attach to poles and have a spray system inside of the brush, but sometimes when your array is fairly small like the one I've got, that may not be all that necessary. Anyway, I hope you found the video helpful. Yes, clean your solar panels and you will see more power out of them. I'm Seth with the DIY Volts, and I will see you in the next video.